Okay, so let's take a look at how you can embed your tweet into WordPress posts using Sign Builder. So go to the website where you have Sign Builder installed. Next thing would be to go to pages, click on all pages. Now let's see if I want to embed tweet into this features page. So I will open this with edit with Sign Builder. Right, so once we go there, it should load the page on the left hand side with this editing option. So what we can do is, here you can see we already have a section, then we have existing elements. So what we'll do is we will simply choose insert inside section, then choose the element, then click on this for content element, and here you'll find custom code, right? And we can edit this element, right? And on left hand side you will find custom HTML, custom PHP option as well, right? So what we can do here is simply go to the tweet which we wish to embed. So this is Noel's page, and he has a bunch of tweets. You can choose one to embed. So select from this 3-button menu, click embed tweet, and here we can find embed code, copy the code, come back to the page where you wish to embed it and paste it, right? Click apply and then save and publish page. Now what I can do is go back to pages and open view in another tab, and here you see the tweet is now embedded, and it has taken the respective space within the page as well. So you get the idea how to embed tweet using Sign Builder's custom code on WordPress.